Little mathematicians, sometimes things move and change location. We're going to talk more about positional language, but today we're going to focus on the idea of two main words. We're going to use the words left and right. You've probably heard these words before, but do you know your left and your right? Your left is on this side of your body, and your right is on this side of your body. It's not just talking about us. We could turn left when we're in the car, or we might need to go right at the end of the corridor. Left and right are great positional language words that we can learn so that we can give more directions and understand more directions as they're given to us. These are words that we're going to focus on today. Let's learn about the words left and right. On my screen, you can see two hands. On one of the hands, you can see the word left. It starts with the sound L. On one of the hands, you can see the word right, and it starts with R. I'm in between these two hands. Can you put your left hand up to touch the left hand on my screen? Can you put your right hand up to touch the right hand on my screen? This is your left hand, and this is your right hand. We need to know how to use and understand the words left and right to give directions and to talk about the position or location of objects or ourselves. I'm going to put some pictures on my screen so we can talk about left and right for a little bit longer. Are you ready? Take a look at my screen. We have some pictures here now that we can work with. There are some pictures on the left and there are some pictures on the right. And I'm in the middle. Today, I'm going to describe one of the pictures that I see, and I want you to tell me if it's at the left or the right side of the screen. If I say something that's on the left, you'll say left, or you might even put your left hand up. If I say something that's on the right, you can say right, and you might put your right hand up. You don't just point to the picture. I want you to also match the correct positional word, left or right. Are you ready? Little mathematicians, I see a red scooter. Is it at the left or the right? I can see a red scooter up here and it's on the right side of the screen. If you said right, well done. Are you ready for the next one? Little mathematicians, I see a pair of black reading glasses. Are they on the left or on the right? They're on the left. I see a pair of black reading glasses on the left. If you said left, you're correct. Little mathematicians, I see one yellow banana. Is it on the left or is it on the right? The left. It's on the left. If you said left, you're correct. If you're getting stuck, have a look down the bottom at the hands that are there to help you. One of those hands says left and one of those hands says right. If you don't know how to read these words yet, which you might not, have a look at the first sound in those words. L for left, R for right. There's also another trick that you might know. Do you notice on the left hand, we can make a capital letter L. When we put our left hand up, we can see a capital letter L shape. And that's a trick to help us remember that this is our left hand. It can't be this hand because the capital letter L would be back to front. You can see the two hands here to help you. Let's take a look at the next picture. Little mathematicians, I see a pine cone. Is it on the left or the right? It's on the right. The pine cone is on the right side of the screen. I'm going to pause the video now and I want you to work with somebody nearby. Give them an instruction or tell them one of the pictures that you see on the screen. Have them tell you if it's at the left or the right. And then they can take a turn doing the same with you. They're going to say a picture that they see on the screen and you tell them if it's at the left or at the right. What can you see? Can you talk about left and right? Have a practice now.